मियाँ और बीवी एक दूसरे को किस तरह खुश रख सकते हैं, जानते हैं हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के उसवा हसना से कि वो अपने अज़दवाजी ज़िंदगी में किस तरह के रवैया अपने वाइफ के साथ रवा रखते थे। रोमांस इन इस्लाम। द बिलव्ड प्रॉफिट सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम said, "The best of you in the one who is best to his wife." Some practical gestures which done by Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Number 1, lifting the morsel to her mouth. Number 2, having fun and spending time with each other. Number 3, laying in each other's lap. Number 4, Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam would kiss his wife regularly even when he would be fasting. It's sunnah to kiss your wife before going to the masjid. Number 5, combing the spouse hair. Hazrat Aisha would comb the hair of Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam and wash his hair, calling her by beautiful names. Number 6. Number 7, eating from the same spot. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam would also eat after her and from the same plate she had eaten from, assisting her in the housework. Number 8. Number 9, respecting your spouse and her loved ones. अज़दवाजी ज़िंदगी माशरे का एक बहुत अहम यूनिट, फैमिली का हिस्सा है। इस रिश्ते को एहसास और अच्छा रवैया मजबूत बनाता है।